Hey sewing and quilting friends, today I'm here super excited to do an unboxing video for you. I'm going to unbox the Accuquilt Go Me. Now I have an Accuquilt Go, it's the Ready Set Go, the larger Go machine, and I wanted to get a smaller one just to be able to have handy, to be able to use for quick projects that didn't feel quite so big to take out, but also so that I could show you exactly what this Accuquilt system is, how it works. And this Go Me is such an affordable price point for a beginner that I wanted to show you how this all works. If you are interested in a Go, this is really the beginner Go for you to start with because there's already a lot that you can do with it. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's look at the box. So this is the top of the box. And I haven't opened this at all yet. So I'm going to open it here with you. I'm going to have to grab my scissors. So here we have the whole box. I'm going to grab some crafting scissors. I'm not opening the box with my good quilting scissors. No, no. And I've opened up the top, and this is what that looks like in there. So I'm going to live dangerously. I'm going to turn the whole thing upside down. Empty box. Okay. So this is the Go. It's in its own little like dust-proof cover, little bag. We'll open that in a second. This is just the beginner set, and it comes with 2 dies. And Accuquilt already has patterns that I can make with these dies right on there. The dies are labeled on the side, so it lets you know. Let's see, these ones are the quarter square and the half square. It actually has pictures that show you exactly what those look like. So if you have them in one of the storage systems from the side, or if you have them on your shelf and you're looking at them from the side, that you can see exactly which one you're grabbing. And then yes, they do have these patterns in here. It also comes with the right size mat for these dies. You always want to have the right size mat for your die. So I already have my mat. And an instruction pack. So let's go ahead and open this up. It also has some of this desiccant that we can just throw away. So it has some basic instructions. Warranty information. A booklet with basic instructions on how to use your cutter. And a pattern idea book. So it gives you pattern ideas that you can make with the dies that came in the set. So now I can go ahead and open up the cutter itself. I'm going to keep this dust cover so that I can tuck my Go Me in there when I'm not using it so it doesn't get dusty and it stays gorgeous. And now I can open this up. And this is the Go Me. So to use this, I need to open up one of these dies. And this one is the quarter square triangle die. And I opened it by just doing a careful cut right here between this foam mat and the green plastic. Each die is basically 3 parts. I'm going to show you how this die works. So each die has basically 3 parts. It's got this green plastic, and that's hard, rigid, sturdy plastic. It's got foam, and the foam is in 2 different colors, so I can see what part I need to make sure is covered for my fabric to cut. And then this is the kind of extra, the scrap. And then between where this dark foam and light foam come together is a blade, and I don't want to push down with my fingers because that is what's going to cut my fabric. When I put my fabric on top and then my mat on top of that. I'm going to run it through the machine. That's going to squeeze down and it's going to compress this foam, and I'm pressing where there is no blade right now, by the way, but it's going to squeeze down and compress the foam. And so those blades that are just underneath the surface of this foam are going to get exposed by the foam pressing down, and those are going to cut into my fabric that's laid on top of here, and it'll get protected. My machine will get protected with this mat on top. So let me show you how easy that is. Okay, I just have some random scrap fabric from my scrap bin, and I'm going to lay it on here. Now you'll notice that this shape is on here at an angle, and you want to have your fabric at that same angle that these lines are on. So we're not going to line up with the edge of the die. We're going to line up with the lines on between the gray, the two grays. And the reason is because that's the grain of our fabric. Now, if you're a little bit off, it's not that big a deal, but it'll just help with your fabric's warping. So I'm just going to lay this down, and I have enough fabric here to do 2 layers. And you can do up to 6 layers on an Accuquilt die. I'm going to put my my mat on top, and then I like to just push it in, and by pushing it in a little bit, I'll already see the handle start to move, and that'll let me know which way I need to rotate my handle. Because you can actually go in from either side. I'm going to push it all the way across. And then I'm going to take off this mat, and some of them are stuck to the mat a little bit. Totally fine. This is my waste fabric. And from a piece of scrap that was just sitting in my scrap bin, I cut myself 8 of these perfect little quarter square triangles. So you can see them there, right? How perfect are those? And if you see, these ones already have the dog ears cut off of them as well, so it makes it even easier to sew. The Go Me will cut any of your dies that are 6 inches, which is a lot of the Accuquilt dies. You do want to check before you order a die, because not all of their dies are 6 inches, but so many are. I already showed you the quarter square triangle and also the half square triangle, which came with it. Those are 6-inch dies. They also have tons of applique dies that you can use with the Go Me. So this is an example of an applique die. This is the gnome, and he's super cute. And so the die's right in here, and it has all the shapes right on there that I need to be able to make this cute little gnome. Isn't he adorable? So for the applique dies, you can actually put your fusible on the back of your fabric and run your fabric with the fusible on there right through the machine, and it'll cut the fabric and the fusible, and you'll be ready to just layer your pieces and stitch up your applique. So it makes it super, super simple, especially for like these like small ovals that you want to make sure that you get right, or all these pointy things for this beard. Perfectly cut every time with the fusible right on there. So super cute. And Accuquilt also has these cube systems, which have many dies in them. So this is the English paper piecing cube, and it has lots of 6-inch dies. These are all for English paper piecing. And so with my Go Me, I can cut both the papers and my fabric for English paper piecing. And this Go cube has all of the dies needed for 1-inch English paper piecing. It has 1-inch hexagons, 1-inch half hexagons, 1-inch diamonds, and 1-inch triangles. And it has both the papers and the fabric for each of those. So there's 8 dies in this set, as well as this extra little spot for a mat, as well as instructions, and all kinds of patterns came with this as well. So everything you need right in one handy cube system where all the pieces just pull right out. Super easy. So there we go. That is the Go Me. I have links down below if you want to go check it out and check out the pricing. Also, Accuquilt regularly does stuff on their YouTube channel and on their Facebook. So if you're interested and you want to watch, you can head over to those and learn more about the Accuquilt system and the Accuquilt Go Me. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. As always, the comment section is for you. So I hope you'll use that comment section to reach out to me. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you just want to leave a comment for me. I really do love all of your comments that you leave for me. Thanks so much. If you think you have a friend who might be interested in the Go and wants to know more about it, I hope you'll hit the share button and share this video with them. And for those of you who aren't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Come join us here. I hope you will, because I have lots and lots of quilting videos here for you already to check out, and so many more to come. Thanks so much for watching, my friends, and I will see you right here real soon. Bye for now.